gumagaling na yung kamay mo. You will feel better. I love you, Lola. Happy birthday. I love you. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Tatay Romy. We love you po. We pray po for healthier and longer life. And mag-iingat po kayo palagi.
God bless po.
God bless po.
John!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tatay Romy.
Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Romy. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Romy. Happy birthday, Kuya Romy. Sa highway. Abinyan, Laguna. Happy birthday, Kuya Romy.
Happy birthday, Romy. God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday, Romy. Happy birthday sa iyo. Happy birthday, Ninong. Love you po.
Nong, happy birthday. And lagi ka mag-iingat. Tsaka magpapalakas ka lagi. I love you. At saka namimiss ko yung luto mo.
Romy, I love you. Love you, Ninong. Happy birthday.
Love you.
Happy birthday po, Tatay Romy. Ingat po kayo palagi. Palakas po kayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po sa'yo. Maingat po kayo lagi-lagi. Babay po.
Happy birthday, Tatay Romy.
Hello po, Ninong Romy. Happy birthday po sa'yo. May you have another 60 years of happiness, better health, longer life, and more happiness. Lagi kang mag-iingat, lalo ngayon sa iyong kalagayan. Doble ingat para maging healthy pa, makakalaro mo pa ang mga apo mo, kasama pa ang ninang at ang iba pang mga mahal sa buhay. Lagi kaming narito para sa iyo, Ninong. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo Romy. Ang wish ko po sa inyo ay bigyan pa kayo ng ama na magandang kalusugan at gabayan kayo lagi. And thank you po sa lahat at sa masarap na luto. Thank you. We love you po.
Happy 60th birthday, Ninong. Ang tanging hiling ko po sa Ama ay ang pahiramin po kayo ng mahabang buhay, kalakasan at mabuting kalusugan. Kayo po ng Ninang. We love you so much, Ninong. Happy birthday po ulit. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lola Romy. We love you.
More birthdays to come. Huwag na matigas ang ulo.
Huwag matigas ang ulo.
Huwag na kakain ng bawal.
Huwag kakain ng bawal para hindi masakit.
Ikaw, Babon. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. We love you so much.
Lola, we love you so much.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mon and Tatay Romy. More birthdays to come. God bless you.
Bossing, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo Romy. We love you. We miss you. I hope you are healthy and safe. And we also miss your fried chicken. Love you.
Love you, Nong.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Laging mag-iingat at huwag nang kakain ng mga bawal.
Galit ang apo.
God bless you always. God bless. Laging mag-iingat. We love you.
Love you. Bye. Happy birthday, Ninong.
Happy birthday, darling. Huwag matigas ang ulo sa pagkain. Nandito lang ako palagi kasama mo. Mahal na mahal kita. Palakas ka. Yun na.
Hi, Tito Romy. Happy birthday. God bless you and stay safe always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Romy. Happy 60th birthday. Miss na namin ang mga luto mo. Lagi ka makikinig kay Bobon tsaka kay Chabeng sa mga pinagbabawal sa'yo. I love you. Mag-iingat kayo palagi. Miss you so much. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Romy. God bless you. More birthdays to come. Ingat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Wish you all the best. Huwag na pasaway, huwag kakain ng bawal. We love you so much. Lolo, happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Romy. God bless you. More birthdays to come. Ingat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Romy. Love you. Miss you. Stay safe. I also miss your fried chicken. Hi, Lola Anna. I miss you. Love you. Stay safe. Hi, everyone. Hi, Bobon, Malta, and Chabeng. Love you. Miss you all.
Hi, Lola Romy. Love you. Miss you. Happy birthday. I miss your fried chicken po.
What else pa?
Stay safe. Bye.
Hi, Tito Romy. I just want to wish you a very happy birthday po. I hope you'll have a wonderful celebrations with your loved ones, your family, your friends. Pasensya na po, hindi na tayo nagkita nung last time nakauwi ako. Sana po sa susunod, I'll get the chance to visit you. For now, we're sending you much love from me and my family. And I hope you'll enjoy the day. Happy birthday po. Bye.
Tito, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo lagi. We love you so much po.
Tito Romy, happy birthday po. Lagi po mag-iingat. Miss namin po kayong lahat.
Love you po. Happy birthday.
Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ka Romy. Wish you many more birthdays to come and good health. Happy birthday, Balay.
Happy birthday! Okay na ba? Happy birthday po! Sana lumakas pa po kayo. Sila po.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Sana maging healthy ka sa susunod pa. At marami pang birthday na darating. I love you!
Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, Romy! Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, malakas sa pangatawan, at salamat sa lahat ng mga pagsasama at tulong mo sa amin. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Romy. We love you.
Kuya Romy, happy 60th birthday. More blessings, good health. Happy lang.
Hi, Kuya Romy.
Enjoy lang yung life with the apos and the family. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Kuya Romy. Happy birthday. We're on the way na. Gutom na sa handa mo. See you later. Happy 60th birthday. Love you, love.
Happy birthday, Koy. Sana dakal pagdata ka birthday kaya ka. At sana marami pang pamakiyabing masakit kaya katawan. Happy tamon. Ay, hindi rin.
3, 2, 1, go. Happy birthday, Romy. God bless you. Sana umaba pa yung buhay mo.
Happy birthday po, Tatay Romy. Wish you all the best po.
Have a long life po.
Hello po, Tatay Romy. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo lagi and God bless.